Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic for today's session is application of pressure. This is actually the continuation part of the topic pressure. So, this is your second lecture on pressure. In this, we will be talking about increasing pressure and decreasing pressure. That means these are the learning objectives for today's session. So, let's start the session. First of all, we will discuss increasing pressure takes place when there is decrease in area. The first example is cutting tools like knives, blades, scissors, saws, and axe. They all have sharp edge. The sharp edges have very small area of contact, so the pressure applied by the force is more. Now next we have a nail or board pins. Both have one pointed end while the other end is blunt or flat. On applying force, the pointed end will exert greater pressure as the area of contact is small and hence it will go deep into the given surface. The next is pointed heels of footwear and regular flat heels. As you can see from the picture, pointed heels of footwear exert more pressure on the ground than the regular flat heels. The reason behind this is the decrease in area. In pointed heel, we have less area, and the regular flat heels, we have more area. So, less area means pressure will be more, and more area means pressure will be less. Therefore, a lady with pointed heel sandals finds it difficult to walk on a muddy road than on a tar road. The next example is heavy trucks or heavy vehicles having 6 to 8 tires instead of regular 4 tires. Now, what does this do? If a vehicle has 6 to 8 tires, then it means it has more area of contact, and which will result in reduction in the pressure exerted on the ground. This is different from the regular vehicles having 4 tires. More number of tires are used to increase the area of contact and thereby reducing the pressure on the ground. Next we have is the foundations of high-rise buildings are kept wide or broad so that the large weight of the building may exert less pressure on the earth and avoid sinking of the building. Yes, high rise building, if they have wide or broad area of contact on the ground, it will result decrease in pressure, because decreasing pressure takes place when there is increase in area. So that's why the architects designs the building, high rise building, in such a way that it has a wide or broad area of contact. Next we have the white wooden sleepers in case of railway tracks. Yes, wide wooden sleepers are placed below railway tracks so that the pressure exerted by the rails on the ground becomes less. Next we have the school bags and shopping bags. You might have noticed that the school bags and shopping bags have broad straps or belts so that the area of contact increases and thus the pressure on the hand or shoulder is reduced. Next example is of army tanks. Yes, army tanks are provided with broad steel tracks called caterpillar tracks to increase area of contact and thus reduce pressure on the ground, which is either marshy or uneven. Thank you, children, and God bless you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.